Please like, share and comment on the video if you like it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we publish another video. Paul Rees here from Rural Properties. I'm going to show you the inside of a stone farmhouse that is in a village about 10 minutes from Figueiró dos Vinhos in Leiria. So let's have a look inside and you can see what can be done. And there's an extension possibility. Let's have a look. So the upper level at Ribeira da Vinha, it's still beautiful stone walls throughout. We have a view down the garden towards the forest that ends up in the valley with the river Reservoir and the Bouça reservoir. But concentrating on the inside for a moment, we see this is the old living area. 3 windows, plenty of light, a relatively good condition ceiling. These beams can certainly be repurposed and a lot of the wood reused. So this was living room and 2 little bedrooms either side of the stairway, and one room has got a window. Up the stairway is an attic that, by lowering this floor, you can create additional bedroom space, maybe a master bedroom. You can see the roof will need replacing because it needs insulation, but the beam, the main beam, is in good condition, so I suspect it's been replaced within living memory anyway. So that's the first floor. Compact, bijou, usable, and you can make 3 levels. And the ground floor, which was the old farm's workshop and storeroom, that is pretty much as it was left. So there's bits and pieces, old barrels, 1 window for ventilation, and then there's a additional annexed area here. Again, all this would be replaced when developing this property. There's electricity on the wall there, and there's water from the well, but there's also mains water about 50 metres away. The area to the left is a ruined shed annex that can be re-registered and used as living space, and you can make it a flat roof and have a nice terrace on top because it links to the main building there. I hope you enjoyed that brief look around. If you want to visit or contact me to talk about anything to do with this property, the contact details are on the website. Thanks a lot.